How to delete multiple text messages on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here to your messages. So it actually depends on what multiple messages you mean. So if you wish to delete these messages from different senders, so what you can do is to tap on edit here, click on edit and tap on select messages. After that, all you have to do is to click on those specific senders or messages, text messages that you want to delete, and then tap on delete on the bottom right and just confirm delete. And for the other one is to click on the sender's message, so you will see all the messages that sender gave you. So if you wish to delete multiple messages from that one specific sender, what you can do is you select the message here and then long press and tap on more, and as you can see, this will pop out here, and all you have to do is to tap on specific messages that you wish to delete and just tap on delete on the lower left and then delete six messages. And basically that is it, and that's how you delete multiple text messages on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.